Mario, the blizzard is getting worse.
I know. I mean, it just cracked a window.
Yeah.
What I really meant by that was, it's going to be really cold.
I know. I think I ate the one box of Hot Pockets, but there's going to be 9 left. I ate the whole box. I need more Hot Pockets.
Okay. Wait, I'll come with you. Woohoo! Yeah, free seats.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, it feels so good, isn't it right, Knuckles?
You got it, Mickey.
All right.
Up high.
Oh yeah.
Now let's watch some TV, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, Mario. This is gonna be my 13th Hot Pocket.
No! You're not gonna have another Hot Pocket!
Why?
You already had 12 today! Don't you think you had enough?
No, if I'm gonna survive from a blizzard tonight, then I'm gonna eat as many Hot Pockets as I can.
You're not gonna eat that Hot Pocket.
So, I'm going to.
Why?
'Cause I'm super hungry!
Alright, fine. Eat the Hot Pocket.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh, what if our window breaks?
Oh no!
Johnny! Stop! Ah! Oh.
What happened in here?
It's blowing!
Oh God! Let's watch the Mario!
Sit down on the couch! I'm coming! What's happening here? Why is it all snowy?
Mario, just get in!
Okay! Breaking news! Today, make sure to keep your windows, closed! This is Channel 6 signing off! I don't have time to do this! Make sure to keep it off! Channel 6 signing off! Ah! Oh, boy! Sonic, could you go get it? I need to sleep! Alright, fine. What do you freaks want?
Oh, hey Mario.
Oh, hey Yakko. Who's behind the book?
Oh, it's Judy. Hello.
Okay, come on in. Be my guest.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, you two, make yourselves at home because, Sonic is gonna be cooking some cookies for a while.
Oh, that sounds sweet.
Yeah, maybe we can go sing some Christmas carols while we're at it.
Uh-huh.
What's that? What are you reading?
Splatoon.
Okay, I'm gonna go produce the cookies. Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hi.
Who
are you?
I'm Knuckles, the echidna. So I just ordered some chicken, so I'm just gonna go now.
Okay.
KFC.
Can you keep it down? I'm trying to read.
Yeah, sure.
Can you keep it down?
Yeah, sure.
Jeez. Some people.
Roar!
Why did you do that?
Oh, yeah, I just needed to let out a good scare. Huh. Oh, hello. Kind of cute.
Okay, sure.
What did I say?
Well, she's gone.
Sonic, did you leave a rock on my bed again? I'm sorry, did I catch you doing something?
I'm trying to find some peace and quiet.
Oh, why?
'Cause it's so noisy in your own living room.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the guys can get really noisy right around night because they're tired. Hey, at least we're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice.
You know, with Sonic. Yeah, but too bad that's not gonna, pan out the way I want it to.
Yeah.
You could go read in my closet. I mean, there's a lot of space in there.
But there's no light in here. It's gonna be dark.
Then turn on your phone light.
Fine.
Hey, I just want to sleep. Have no hard feelings, Judes.
Yeah.
Okay, could you pass my blanket back?
Sure. Here.
Who could that be?
Hello, Sonic.
Oh,
Can I come in, please?
sure, come on.
Phew, it's cold in here.
Alright, Chuck E. Cheese. Here we are.
Oh, it's pretty nice here. Did you guys refurbish or something?
Oh, yeah, quite a bit. But,
Yeah, I see a few people are staying here, and I think they're, like, on the ground sleeping.
yeah. You just bring your own pillows and blankets.
Okay, so you mind if I could sleep somewhere for the night? Because I don't think I'll be able to get back to my cheese house.
Oh, you can sleep on the couch. It's comfy.
Sure.
Don't worry, I'll get the blanket.
Yeah, please. Oh, wait, hold on. I have to go take off my vest. There we go.
Alright, Mr. Chuck E. Cheese. Make yourself at home.
Ah, nice and cozy.
Yep.
Alright, so, see you tomorrow. I'm gonna have to go back to work.
Oh, okay.